Hello everyone and welcome back. So guys, today I just got the Civic already, as you can see on my back. Just washed it already. It does have a paint problem which I'm gonna fix soon, but right now I'm going to restore the headlights, which I'm going to show you what I'm gonna use. So this is what I'm going to use. This is what I used before, Magnier 2-step headlight restoration kit. It's been with me for almost, I think, 2 years. I use it on the Civic as well. I'm not gonna just do polish this time, but I'm going to actually do the sanding as well, because one of the headlight is quite foggy, so I have to do a little bit sanding, and let's see how it goes. Let me show you right now how they look, and then I'll show you after the cleaning how they will look. So yeah, so as you can see, this is how they look right now, both of them. And I'm gonna put the camera right here. So guys, I use wet sanding and use the 1000 grade sandpaper, and first I did in landscape and then upside down, and then a polish that's come with the polish kit, and then a clear coat on top of that. So it's a very nice polish for the headlights I used in my previous Civic 2010. The result was amazing. Alright guys, so the lights are done, but one small issue is that it ran a little bit, started. So I just sprayed this one, and that might leave see that leave the raindrops on the light, because the rain just started. I guess I have to redo this side, but other than that, as you can see, before and after, how clean it looks now. So next thing I will do is clean the airflow sensor. I will clean it right now. The rain just stopped, so maybe it won't take that long. Clean the sensor and clean this connector in the next video. So stay tuned for more video. Do like and subscribe for more video if you like what you saw. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care.